Hello beautiful Wrap Sisters, my name is Olivia and today's video is all about the February scarf of the month. I am super excited to share my thoughts on this fabulous selection and create a few fun wraps for you all. Now, this is definitely not the scarf of the month. I'm wearing something completely different because I did not want to ruin the surprise for you. So this video definitely contains spoilers. If you are not interested in seeing it, you want to be surprised, please click away. I will be revealing everything that's in the kit and doing the wraps in the second portion of this video, so fair warning, spoilers. Have a wonderful day, enjoy the video. Okay, so one last warning about spoilers. If you really don't want to see what's up for this month's scarf of the month, last chance to leave. Okay, so I'm gonna guess that if you're still here watching, you really want to see what's in this month's scarf of the month. I'm gonna start out with this scarf. It's amazing. There are two pieces in this month's kit. This is, oh my gosh, it's an amazing pashmina. It's a beautiful orange color with all of this gorgeous detailing in teal. It's two-sided. It's reversible, I should say. This is the second side. It's amazing. I'm gonna say it feels very nice. It's very soft. It's not super heavy like a tapestry, but it's not really thin either. It's very nice. I wish I had a bigger screen so I could show you the whole thing all at once, but it's quite lovely. And we get a sari scarf, a little it's a sash, really, a sari sash, 3 strips. Now I will tell you, just like the regular sari scarves, each one of these is unique and different, so don't be upset if you don't get exactly the same in your kit. Everybody's is different, and I think that is so awesome. That way we're all rocking different looks. Even though we have the same kit, we can still find differences, and everyone is unique. I like that idea. But this one has some orange in a, it looks like a chrysanthemum. I love the word chrysanthemum. It's amazing. And then this center strip has some daisies. And this one, I'm not going to say it's a paisley pattern, but it's something florally. My daughter happens to think this part is the prettiest. So, all right. Now, I'm going to do a couple of different wraps. I'm going to try to keep them simple, pretty, fun. I have not tried to wrap with these. I received them, and this is the first time I'm utilizing them. I'm getting tongue-tied today. So I think I'm going to start by just showing the orange and doing something very simple, but I think it'll turn out really pretty. So I'm going to put this on. I'm going to tie off center. You can see the center of the scarf with, it's on my right hand side with the seam, as I have not pressed this one out. Just off center. Like so. And then I'm going to take my sari sash, and I think since my daughter liked this portion a lot, I'm going to put that in the front. The same way, one long, one short. test to see. It's a little too long. Okay, that should be good. So there you are, just like so. And I'm going to fold this over into thirds and bring up and over. Now, for this portion, I could give a twist once, give a twist twice, bring it around the back, and tuck over here. This would be very, very pretty. And adjust this so the focus is on this side. And bring our friend the sash up and back and do the same thing. Okay, so I have that tucked. So this is our first look. Very simple, very elegant. You get to see the green and the orange, the beautiful, beautiful teal. It's rather lovely. I'm going to spin around so you can see the back. It's very neat. Okay, so just a minor change here, and this will be a completely different wrap. So I have this tail brought up and over, get it to this point. I'm going to reach in and grab my sari sash and amped up beginner's luck. Now, we have that. I like to take this piece and bring it up and tuck at the top. You can bring it around the back and tuck it in the back if you like. For me, this works a little bit better. Then I'm going to bring our friend the sari sash up, making sure to get it in place where I like. The same thing. I'm going to move this out of the way. I'm going to reach in and I'm going to grab my other tail, my pashmina tail, and I'm going to wrap it around once, and twice, and we have another amped up beginner's luck, and tuck away. Again, this is a little bit of a different look, just changing one small thing. You have a little bit of a different look. Okay. Now I'm going to untie this one. And because I really do like turbans, I'm going to put the first scarf on in the center. I'm going to center it equal tails, like so. Tie just a quick knot in the back. I'm going to take this, the sash, and I'm going to change what's in the front. I'm going to put this flower, slightly off center. And I'm going to tie in the back. Okay. So I'm going to turn around and show you the back. Just 2 knots. Okay. So I love pleats. I know it's an obsession, and I say this all the time. I think they're so much fun. So we're going to see how well this guy pleats. I'm going to use this side, which is the reverse side of the scarf. Open it up, fold over the top. Again, I have not practiced with this, so this may end up in a catastrophe, so who knows. Let's see, here's 2. There's 3. Here's 4. All right, so we have the 1. We have the 2. We have the 3. We have the 4. All right, let's see. We'll see if we can get 5 pleats out of you. If we can't, we can't. No harm, no foul. All right. So we're going to grasp here, flip over, bring up. Okay, so we will mess with this portion. I'm not worried about it. Okay, so let's find our first pleat and we can lay him proper. Okay, we've got that. All right, I'm just going to tuck it in to hold it in place for a minute so that I can play with the pleats and get them the way I like them. Okay, tighten that up a little bit. Okay, so I am adjusting. Here's a pleat here. Okay, so I'm going to take this floppy bit and I'm tucking it underneath. And there you are, some quick pleats. Now for this side, I don't think I want 2 sets of pleats. I think that would just be way too much. So I am going to bring and fold. I'm opening it up, folding back in, front over, and then at the back. I didn't want to cover this up with this piece here, so I'm just wrapping this around at the back, like so, and tucking in the fringe. Okay, I'm going to spin around to show you what I've got in the back so far, and then we will address our friend the sari sash. So this is what I have so far. If there are any fringy bits, just tuck them away. So I'm going to bring this guy up and over. And tuck him away. And I'm going to do the same with this side. Bring it up, over, and simply tuck away. So this is the turban look, showcasing this big, beautiful chrysanthemum style flower on the sari sash. Orange, the reverse side, which is the teal in the pleats. And let me spin around, I'll show you the finished back. Okay, so that's 3 fun looks with the scarf of the month. I hope you ladies have enjoyed this tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Okay, so editing me wanted to add one more because I just realized, oh my gosh, this would be a really, really quick change up from our turban to a different look, one more look. So I have this beautiful, and I'm going to open up my tail, fold over my edge, bring it over, a little bit of gathering for here. And then I have these sari tails both on the same side. I'm going to bring it around once. Twice. And then on the third go round, I'm just pulling a loop through and pulling, you have the loop here, and just pulling the fringed tails, just the sash tails through. Nah, I don't like that. So we're just going to do it 2 times around and leave hang. So this is another fun, different way to wrap it. Tucking in, tidy it up. This is just the quickie version. So I hope you ladies enjoyed, truly. Have a wonderful day.